Hi there, it's James here bringing the walk around of the 318D MSPORT Saloon here at your next car. So of course we're going to take a walk around the exterior of the vehicle whilst talk through some of the features and options, then we'll make our way through onto the interior. Where of course once we're there we'll go through some of the interior features. Starting with the exterior, where of course we fitted the full YL65KRX Mperformance body styling kit, which is of course all fitted in-house. And on this particular vehicle we've gone for a very nice mixture of the satin and gloss black, all of which you'll see as we make our way around the car. Wheel option is the absolutely stunning 19-inch La Msport Alloy wheels, which are the BMW La Msport option alloys. They are finished in the original Biorbit grey with diamond cut outer faces. You will also see they've got the Bridgestone Potenza run flat tyres all the way around. Alongside that we've got the BMW LED headlamps, which you can currently see in operation. So we'll start with a nice long shot down the side of the car. This vehicle does benefit from having the Msport Plus pack, so of course included in that is the much larger front and rear brakes, alongside having the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, privacy glass and heated Dakota leather front seats. Another very nice feature on this particular vehicle is the glass sunroof, which you can currently see is in the slid back position, so it allows us to take a view over the top. And of course I'll put that in the tilt very shortly. Once we get round to the driver's seat, we've got the lovely black Dakota leather with the exclusive white stitching throughout. As you can see there, we have also got the heated seat function, as we've mentioned previously, thanks to the Msport Plus pack, electric lumbar and optional extra Msport sill plates. And there is a view of the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7 speakers. Moving on to the rear now, where there's a glimpse of the privacy glass. Of course you get an ISOFIX rear bench with the centre folding armrest. And thanks to the vehicle being an M-Sport model itself, you do get that lovely black anthracite headlining. All of which you can see a little bit better thanks to having that glass sunroof. Really does make for a nicer, pleasant experience in the interior. Even when that's just in the tilt position, it does give that bit more brightness to the interior. Heading round to the rear now, of course we've got the lovely gloss black rear boot spoiler, satin diffuser. And of course, if you've not yet seen in the boot space of a 3 Series Saloon of this year, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much space we do have in there. Alongside the fact that this vehicle does again have some more options inside the boot, we do have the split folding seat function, which comes in at a total of around £185 as a BMW optional extra, but it's always one that's very worth having, as of course it does allow us to have a bit more room, which we'll demonstrate in just a second. Going round to the other side, where I'm going to demonstrate that split folding seat action in just a second, you will see obviously simply like so once that is unlatched. Of course, both sides do fold down, giving you that little bit more room, and is of course always a useful function to have. Moving on now, I'm going to take a seat very shortly inside the driver's side, not before showing you off them lovely M-Sport brakes again, and just how great condition these freshly refurbished 19-inch La Msport Alloy wheels are. So you'll also see we've got the extended storage package, meaning we've got a bit more space in and around the car. I'm also going to start the car up. And we'll begin, of course, again with the glass sunroof we see there, and I'll begin by putting that in the tilt mode. So that will close up and then it'll go into the tilt, as you'll see in a second. And on this particular version, on the 3 Series, it is a manual sunscreen, which is just pulled across like so. Opening that back up, and there we have it. BMW business navigation and media, all of which you can see there. We've got the DAB screen up currently, moving over to the media screens, where we've got DAB, AUX and USB. Going back to the very home menu, you will see that we've got the vehicle information and vehicle service status, not before giving you another show round, before bringing you over to the lovely multi-function M-Sport steering wheel. 8-speed sport gearbox, meaning we get the paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter function, voice control, volume control, all along the steering wheel. Vehicle's just covered over 55,000 miles, as you can see there. And as you can see, all of the service requirements are in the green. And the next oil service is not due for just under 4,000 miles, which is fantastic. Everything very nice, clean and tidy, and extremely high spec 318D, probably one of the highest spec 318Ds I've currently seen. Also got the high beam assist, which is always a nice useful feature, because it does mean that it will turn the high beam to low beam on and off for you as it sees fit, using sensors on the connected drive just situated up here. Saves you having to do it for you. It can also see further distances than yourself can potentially see in oncoming vehicles before a human being can sense them. Okay, so that will finish off this walk around for the stunning 318D MSPORT Saloon here at your next car. We do of course hope you find this walk around video useful. And do remember guys, if you are finding these walk arounds useful and really enjoying them, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below. That way you can get up to date with our latest and newest stock here at your next car. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. Hope to see you soon. Bye.